Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve Mathematics by R.D. Sharma, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.1, Real Numbers, Question 4. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, so that one and only one of n+1 and n+2 is divisible by 3 where n is a positive integer. So only one, n or either n+1 or either n+2 is divisible by 3. So we will take n is of form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. So remainder will be less than 3. So we can write n is equals to 3q. So it is divisible by 3 as there is no remainder. So we can take n+1 also. n+1 is equals to 3q plus 1. So 1 is remainder. So n+2. So 3q plus 2. So 2 is remainder. So we can write hence n is divisible by 3 but not divisible by n+1 and n+2. So we can take n is equals to 3q plus 1. So there is 1 as a remainder. 1 is remainder. So it is not divisible. So we can write n plus 1. So 1 is already there. So n+2. So it is also not divisible. So we will take n+2. So 1 is already there. So plus 2. So 3. So we can take common q plus 1. So we can write hence n+2 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by n and n+1. So again we will take n is equals to 3q plus 2. So 2 is remainder. So it is not divisible. So n+1. So 3q plus 2 is there. So plus 1. So 3. So we will get 3 into q plus 1. So it is divisible. So n+2. So we will get 3q plus 2 is already there. So this 2 will be added. So plus 4. So we can take common. This we can write as 3 plus 1. So we will get q plus 1 and plus 1 as a remainder, as 4 cannot be remainder because it is greater than 3. So remainder should always be less than 3. So we can write hence n+1 is divisible by 3. However, not divisible by n and n+2. Hence, 1 of n+1 and n+2 is divisible by 3. That's all for this video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to solve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.